Girls, let's enjoy a ride today and see if someone in our area needs our help. Let's go! This is incredible. I've never seen anything like it. Look at the colors. Sir, ma'am, are you all right?
This airplane belonged to our family, and we never had enough money to repair it. Really?
Yes, we promise. Please don't worry. We will restore your airplane completely, free of charge. Thank you so much. Your family now. It's badly damaged. Oh. But we can save it. We'll repair everything. It will fly again. Every day we look at it, but we can only dream.
Let's build our workshop. Everything is secure. Let's protect the workspace. Safety first. Organization is everything.
Let's start with years of dust. Slowly, every detail matters. Years of neglect.
We'll rebuild everything. The rust is breaking down. Excellent. Increase the pressure. The real surface is appearing. Don't miss any corner. The finish starts here. Be gentle around the rivets. Good work, everyone. Don't miss any corner. The finish starts here.
Lift carefully. Wheel removed.
Separate every component. Everything will be rebuilt.
Green team, ensure the torque wrenches are calibrated before we begin. Red team is ready for the pneumatic checks.
The frame is visible now.
Let's inspect every section. Steady. Engine clear. Nothing gets lost. This cockpit has been forgotten for years. Let's bring it back. Label every connector. Perfect organization.
Beautiful weld. Strong and clean. The shape is coming back. Almost perfect. The shape is coming back. Almost perfect.
Everything has its place. Reassembly will be easier.
We need to address the corrosion on the structural beams first. I agree. Let's get the riveting tools ready for the tail section.
Now we know exactly what needs repair. Tomorrow, we rebuild its future. Smooth finish. Exactly as planned. Perfect measurements. Every millimeter counts. Only the damaged metal comes out. Keep every cut perfectly clean.
Look at the difference.
This airplane is getting a new life.
Let's see our new components. Everything looks perfect.
Everything is perfectly aligned. Ready for assembly.
Landing gear is ready. Excellent work. Every component is inspected. This engine will run like new. The hardest part is finished. Now we bring it back to life. Lower slowly. Perfect alignment.
Landing gear secured.
Excellent teamwork.
Assembly is complete. Next comes the beautiful finish. Every wire has a purpose. Double-check every connection.
I found a small imperfection right here on the panel. Okay, mark it clearly with the red inspection pencil.
This will protect it for years.
Crystal clear finish.
Mirror finish achieved.
Outstanding. Feel how smooth it is. Factory quality.
Final inspection on the avionics, everything clear.
Look at that shine, darling. It's perfect.
Checklist signed off.
Every detail matters. Make it sparkle.
And this is the restored electrical system, factory quality.
Oh, it's absolutely
It's beautiful.
We never thought we'd see this again.
It's beautiful. Thank you so much. We are so happy for you both. It looks brand new.
Please, authorization code, step inside. Your dream is finally real.
Clear left, clear right, holding short of Charlie.
Roger that, Captain. Continue to the hangar. All systems report nominal.
Thank you so much. It looks absolutely brand new. We are very grateful. It was our pleasure. We'll see you next time.
Let's keep helping those who need us. Our journey continues.